It's beginning to be the time of morning where I need caffeine, but let's see if I can get through this. Hi, my name is Tabby, and I am coming to you with another finished object slash kit review. So the finished object I'm talking about today is this sweater I'm wearing. This is the Professor Meow from Mint Picks. I got this kit with a gift card. So the kit includes a download of the pattern and the skeins of yarn that you need. So I got the size small, I think, which came with the small to medium, which came with the 3 skeins of Sweet Pea Heather, which is the pink, and then one of the Wellies Heather, which is the black. It did not come with needles, which was disappointing to me because their sock patterns come with needles. Their sock kits come with needles. So I bought the wooden needles in the size 10.5 that was required for the pattern with some money that was left over on the gift card from buying the kit. They're really nice needles. I didn't have any problems with them. Probably use them again. So it is a Intarsia sweater. You knit it separately and then you seam it. I had just finished my bubble stitch cardigan, which was also seamed, so I was not too thrilled about seaming another sweater. But this one is just the sides, and then you knit the sleeves, so it's not bad. And then you do the neck, and by the time I got to the neck, this was my one quarrel with the kit, was I had run out of yarn. So it was actually supposed to have another row of rib, and I just ran out of yarn. So I had to bind this off, and I was playing a little bit of yarn chicken, which is never fun. So I don't know if it was just my yarn management or I truly ran out of yarn and they need to give me more. So this is actually the second time I have done Intarsia. I've done an Intarsia pair of cat socks. They were not as clean as this Intarsia. I think this one came out really cute. I like it a lot. This kit does come in a gray if you're not a big pink person, but you still like cats. There is a gray option, and I think maybe there's 3 different sizes. I think there's small, medium, and large, or maybe it's small / medium, large, and then extra large. I will link the kit down below so you can go check it out. I had no confusion over the pattern. I think it was a really simple, easy pattern to follow. You knit the back and then you knit the front, doing the Intarsia. The whiskers and the eyeballs are added later. Yeah, so I think altogether it was a great pattern and kit. This is how much I had left over of the black after I knit the Intarsia. I was hoping it was enough for a little beret to match the sweater. It was not. It might be enough to match a headband, which is an idea for a later project. I'm not super jazzed about knitting a headband right now. So yeah, I guess another option would be get another skein, maybe the pink and knit a beret is an option. The yarn, in case I didn't say already, is Wonder Fluff in the bulky weight. So this yarn is made up of 70% baby alpaca and 23% nylon and 7% merino wool, which it's a really soft, nice wool. It's like a single ply, which normally I have a problem with. I don't like it because it tends to separate later and get really weird. At least other commercial yarns I've experienced with a single ply. So this one seems to also be stronger. They usually kind of break apart easier too. I don't know if it's the baby alpaca or the wool. I think the other single ply one I had problems with was probably acrylic, or one of them might have been a wool. Anyway, it's a nice yarn. I like it. It's soft. It's a nice blend. I usually don't like working in bulky weight because it's just like super bulky, but this one's actually not that bad. Yeah, I think it's a super cute pattern. Great kit. I would give it 8 out of 10 stars just because I ran out of yarn and it did not include needles. Other than that, it was super easy to download the pattern and follow the pattern. And I have a great sweater that is fun to wear. I think the sweater would be great to wear with skirts. or pants, and I think it's a little versatile. My bubble stitch cardigan goes over it really nicely because it picks up the black. Yeah, so if you're interested, go check it out. And if you're interested in subscribing, I do more knitting videos, I do fashion videos. Stick around to see those. And leave me any pattern recommendations that you have that you think I should be knitting. Have a beautiful day and happy knitting.